Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is something like a part two to my first computer build. I know the first video it gave the list of components that actually went off into this build. I did have a bunch of videos showing the actual build, but you seen one PC build, you seen them all. It's nothing, you know, it's nothing extravagant after you've seen a couple PC builds or whatever. It's all the same. I just got in depth into the build, and instead of filming everything, I kind of cut the camera off and went directly off to actually getting this thing done. But here's a look at the back of it. You see it has the vent for the top fan to blow in air. Plus, there's another handle, to take the top piece off. The I/O shield. You can see where the graphics card, a nice black on the graphics card. Sorry, black on the graphics card to match the back of the PC, as well as the NZXT sleeved white LED kit with the power button and the brightness control. Very nice. And the back plates on these things are black. The PSU, nothing. Nothing too special. But I am proud of, actually, I'm glad that I did get the NZXT white sleeved LED kit, because it looks so professional with it being off in this PCI slot right here. Hopefully I can fit a wireless card off into this slot. It's going to be so close to the graphics card. But cooling is not a problem on this thing. Going to the top of, we have this this mesh top for the fan that I had mounted at the top of here. The regular 2.0 and 3.0 USB earphone headphone jack. The fan, the fan on and off switch for the case fans. The reset and power, the light, and the speaker right here. This is a real nice case to me for the first build. I got a lot of I have a lot of hitbacks on Craigslist because I had it up for sale the day I built it, but people are idiots. They wanted to give me $500 for this thing. It took me at least up to this date. It's an $800 bill, the way that it is. That's with this keyboard, wireless keyboard and mouse. I know that you guys are with the mechanical thing, but I don't play with the mouse and keyboard. I'm not on that level yet. I actually still play with a Xbox controller. But this is the cable management side, with which, guys, there is no such thing as cable management when it comes to this case. If I slide this side of this case off, it's just gonna flop out. There's absolutely no room whatsoever. And back to the back. But this is for my first build, I'm very proud of this build. I'm gonna open this thing up to let y'all see the components that that's actually off in here. And like I said, I went for the black and white build. The case actually came with two blue clear LED fans, and I was gonna do a black, white, and blue build, but it got so cheesy that I kind of took those fans out and I put in some Phanteks and some Oxeon, but they're made by Phanteks as well. Fans in here to complement this black, to complete and complement this black and white build. It did come with a tinted window, which at first, I was kind of like thrown off a little bit about it. I wish it was a clear window, but it definitely gives a dramatic effect when you turn it on and the white LED kit works, and it lights up the interior of the case. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna go ahead and power it up, let y'all see that how the white LED sleeve kit from NZXT actually looks. It really does this case real nice. So let's go ahead and power it up. It's kind of like daylight, so it's not a real dramatic effect. But the button that's in the back right here, it controls the light. You can the brightness on here you can control, as well as the power button. And I hate that this I'm using the phone to actually do this. But you can push the button, turn the light kit off, push it, and it'll turn it on. Or better yet, this is off and then on. At nighttime, it's pointed toward the sun as well, so you really can't just appreciate. And then this light is on this phone as well. But let's open it up and let's take a look at some of the components that I installed on here. So you can see I have the Phanteks low profile CPU cooler in black and white, HyperX 8 gigabyte RAM kit in white, an EVGA 750 Ti with a white modded backplate, a regular 500 certified bronze PSU. In here we have the Mushkin 240 gigabyte SSD, as well as a 1 terabyte Western Digital HHD hard drive. These are the two Xeon fans that are controlled by the case. If you wanted to, this thing runs quiet. I don't see no point in turning it off, but just for display, I'll turn it off. Let me turn off the LED kit so you can. I'm very happy with this build. I'm really happy with this build, but I can already see myself having that gamer PC disease of upgrade. And the one thing that I think I did a real good job on this build, this card only pulls power from the PCI slot. It's not a very powerful card, and right now on Newegg this thing is like 119 bucks. So if you're looking to build a budget PC for under 500 bucks, this is definitely the graphics card that you want to go with. You can go with a 960 as well, because if I was thinking, that's probably what I would have gotten. And the only thing that is different between the 750 Ti and the 960 is the 960 maintains higher frame rates on a regular basis. I can get 45 to 60 and above frame rates with this 750 Ti, depending on what map, because I only play Battlefield, depending on how bad the action, intense the action is. And it does a great job. It's playable. It's very playable. But going into this again, yes, I would have got the GTX 960. But if you're trying to get in and you want decent frame rates, I play on Ultra. I play with VSync on Ultra, anti-aliasing. Everything is on this card. If I drop it down to medium with all that stuff on, I get a consistent 50 to 60 frames per second. So this is definitely a good card if you're trying to sit here and do a budget build. Coupled with the Intel G3258, this is a great combination. On the MSI Afterburner, my specs, I'm using 100% of the CPU as well as 100% of the GPU. So both of these things are maxed out. They're doing their job efficiently, and this is a complement to each other. The 3258, G3258, and the 750 Ti definitely works together when it comes to gaming. Now, if you want to add another screen and do some multitasking in the background, you're not going to get it done, because the game uses 100% of both the cores on this this Intel chip. Well, that's the build, guys. One other thing, I like to take the face off. I like to take the face off of it. But that's the build, guys. I gotta answer this phone call.